at that! They are growing so well! How is this possible? It's so nice!
Ah, Sean, you are really surprised with that, is it?
Yes!
Okay, you want to learn more about it?
Yes, please!
Okay, now we are going to learn how to plant these seedlings.
Okay, alright.
Okay, why not you try it out?
Okay.
Okay, just put it aside.
Alright.
Okay. You can use a pot like this,
Okay.
or the transparent cup like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
If children at home, you want to try, you just use this, and then you just take some
Soil. Okay.
Yes.
So I'll just place it on top here. Which one should I use for this
So
one?
which one you prefer? So
I think I'll
maybe
use.
maybe children at home, they don't have pot, they can use this.
Okay, then we'll use this
Yeah.
as an example.
Yes.
Okay, so we have this.
And then put some soil
Put
inside.
some soil. Okay. So let me just scoop a little here. How much of soil should we put
At
inside?
least half of the cup.
Half
yeah?
of the cup. Okay. Thank you, teacher. Here. Okay. And this should be about half.
Right,
Okay.
right. Enough.
Yeah.
That's enough. Okay. So what you do, you take the seeds.
Okay.
This is green pea. Yeah?
Green pea.
Yes. So green pea, you just put few seeds inside the soil.
So one by one, yeah?
Yeah. One
Okay.
by one.
So I have here, we got one seed over here. We're placing it inside, just at the top. Yeah, one more here.
Yeah.
How many should I put?
Just put, I think, don't put so much, maybe in 6 or 7 enough.
6 or 7. So I
Yeah.
got 5 in here. I have to be separated with some.
Because the cup is
distance.
small, right?
Yeah. So maybe I'll just put 6. Okay.
Alright. So
Alright.
don't forget, after we plant the seeds, we must
Water.
water it. Yes.
Okay. So here's
But
some
here
water.
you must remember, you must water it every day.
Every day?
Yes, every day. You must water it every day.
Okay.
So that, because that's the basic need we learned, right?
Oh yes, that's
Yeah,
right.
the basic needs. Okay, one more thing is, Sean, you must know when you plant this, you don't have to put it outside the house.
Oh, we don't?
Yeah, no need to put outside the compound, school or where. You can keep it in a lab,
Okay.
science lab, or you can keep it in your house if you are doing at home.
Okay.
So you just keep, and then you can see how it's growing like this.
Yeah,
Just
wow.
like you was amazed looking at it, right?
Correct.
So this is what will happen. This is just 3 days.
3 days. Oh,
In
that is
just
fast.
3 days, you will get this height.
Wow. And
Yes.
these are bean sprouts, right?
Yeah.
And
Bean
these
sprout.
come from.
green peas.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, now I do.
So not only green pea, you may use what we call the corn.
Okay.
The corn, right? And you might use soya bean seed.
Soya beans as well.
Yeah,
so that's the
soya
one that's a
bean,
bit
it will
more
be
whitish.
thicker, yeah.
I see.
Yes.
Ooh.
So once they are growing, okay, we can see here. Okay, what you can see. One, it's growing time.
Yep.
What are the changes you can see there?
From this picture, I noticed that number one, it's bigger in size, so it grows taller. Okay. Number two, I see there are more leaves.
Yes.
Okay. So from the start, then to the third picture there, you can see there's 4 leaves.
How many seeds you can find here, son?
Seeds?
I mean the leaves.
Okay. Here, I think it's only 1.
Okay,
There,
usually got
something-
2. It will come out 2.
Okay.
You can see there also.
Ah, yes, that's right.
there
Here,
are
there's 2.
After that,
Then
when
there's-
the seedling is not there, okay, what you can say, how many leaves are there?
Now there are 4 leaves.
Okay, after it's growing, you can figure out how many leaves
Wow,
are
I
there.
think that's about 10 or 12.
Exactly. So, while they are growing, you can see the changes. Okay, it changes on the height of the seedlings.
Yes.
Okay, it changes on the number of the seedling, number
Okay.
of the leaves, and you also can see the changes on the circumference of the stem.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
We see there
Yes.
the stem. So you can see some got different size of circumference of stem,
Yeah,
right?
some are thicker,
some are
are-
thicker, some are maybe it based on the whatever they are. Maybe some is a bit the water, lack of water, it just grow late or be
Yep.
germinate late. That's why some is tall, some is still short.
I
Even
see.
though I plant it at the same day.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
that's a different. So it depends on the seedlings also.
Okay.
Okay, not to say when you plant on the same day the height was the same.
Okay.
No, it can be different height. Okay,
Okay.
but only thing it will grow. It will grow from the seed to the tree.
Okay.
Just now you saw my trees, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is what you can see.
All right.
So, anything that if you want to plant, you must know that they must have a suitable temperature, they must have a water, and they must have a air.
Okay.
Okay, I ask you one question. Okay. When we keep the plants inside the cupboard, I mean the seedling inside the cupboard, you think it will grow or not? It will germinate or not?
I think it will still germinate if it has enough water, enough air, and also the right temperature. Then yes, because like Teacher Devi mentioned, it doesn't need sunlight to germinate.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, I give you another star. I think you planted the seeds and you managed to answer my question. So I give you 3 stars.
3 stars! Wow!
Yes.
Thank you, teacher. You're so generous.
Yeah, of course, because we are very smart.
Oh, thank you, teacher.
So I hope those are at home. You can try out to plant these seedlings at home. You can use a clear pot, or maybe you can take a clear transparent cup at home, or if not, you can take the. You can see the container.
Yep.
Sometimes we can reuse the container that we buying at anywhere. We just after we use that, we reuse. We say we reuse that, and then we just plant it inside there. So you can see, observe the seedling. You might see the growth of seedling for 9 days.
9 days.
Actually, after 9 days, you won't see any more beans there.
Oh, okay.
No more beans. Once the beans is not there, that means it needs sunlight.
Sunlight, okay.
Because no more nutrition was supplied.
Yes.
So they need sunlight, then they get the nutrition through the photosynthesis.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
All right. So I hope though Sean can do it at home as well, the students at home also can do this. All right.
Yes.
So let us see this stages of plants growth. You see seed, germination of seed, and then seedling. And then we can see mature plant. Okay? There's a plant already grown up and it can produce another seed. I mean, there's a fruits, all that. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, this is the one we must know. So this is the height of the plant on the 3rd day, 6th day, and 9th day.
Okay.
You can see the different, right?
Yes.
So there's a
much
different. Obviously, we can see the different. But on the 9th day, we can see the seeds. The beans is no more there.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Notice that?
That's right.
So this time they need sunlight. This is the time they need sunlight. Okay. So I hope they should know when the plants grow, the number of leaves, the size of leaf, the height of plant, and the circumference of the stem will increase. Okay, Sean?
Okay.
Okay, I have a question to you.
All right. I'm ready.
Okay, so what are the changes you can see when the seedlings are growing?
Okay, so there are a few. One of it, the plant will grow taller.
Okay.
Number 2, the number of leaves will increase.
All right.
Number 3, the size of the leaves will increase as well.
Very good.
And number 4, the circumference of the branch or the stem. Correct. The stem will also increase.
Yeah, I managed to answer. I give you 4 stars.
4 stars! Wow, that's a lot. And hopefully my friends at home have also answered the right answer and they will also get 4 stars, right?
Yeah, I give them 4 stars as well.
Okay. Teacher, do you have any more questions for me? Because I think I can answer more.
Okay. What do you think will happen to the plant if we never put them outside when there's no seeds around the seedling?
So when they germinate, when the seeds germinate, they don't need external
sunlight, all that.
Nutrients, because they get it all from the seed. But once they are no longer seeds, I think they need sunlight, and they also they need sunlight. So I think if we don't put it out in the sun, I think they won't be able to grow, and they will eventually die. Yeah,
they will wilt first, then they will die.
Correct.
Yeah. That's why make sure once we can see it's really growing with the seedlings growing and the normal seeds there. Make sure you can take and plant it in a different pot. You can take another pot. Just take out one each of the seedling that grown up,
Yep.
and then you just plant it in a different pot.
Ah.
So it grow healthily, because it won't, no need to, we say, compete with each other.
That's right.
Right? So this is the one, correct.
All
I
right.
give you another one more star.
Wow! Yay! I'm collecting so many stars today. Thank you so much, Teacher Devi, and hopefully for those of you watching at home, you have learned so much from this segment. But don't go anywhere. We're going to take a short break. Back to you after this on Didik TV KPM.